Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin. Wassalatu wassalamu ala ashrafil mursalin wa ala alihi wa ashabihi al-faizina bi ridallah amma ba'd. Beloved students, a real scholar is one who unlocks the knowledge when rest of the world is under lockdown. A real scholar is one who walks in when rest of the world walks out. We have to understand an important point. What is that? Walking with knowledge in the darkness is better than walking with ignorance in the light. So, to breathe for knowledge, to breathe for conveying knowledge is our duty. If we salute our duty, we need not salute anybody. But if we pollute our duty, we have to salute everybody. Okay, thanks.